Today on Train Stuff on a Budget. Today we're gonna be talking about wheels. Why are some big? Why are some small? What the heck is this thing? And why does she get so many? Wheel arrangements are the three numbers that show you how the wheels are positioned on the trains. How you can tell which means which? I'll show you now. I'm going to be using a very simple example, the Flying Scotsman, which is a 264 locomotive. And if you don't know which ones are leading wheels or driving wheels or stuff like that, just imagine the locomotive on the page with the front to the right and the back to the left. That's how you find out which ones are trailing wheels and which ones are leading wheels. Things get a bit more confusing when you get into Garretts and Challengers and more articulated locomotives, but those are also kind of simple. Now that we're done with that, let's talk about wheel sizes. Why are some big and why are some small? Well, the reason is, usually passenger trains have larger wheels. Larger wheels mean more speed, so you want a passenger train to move faster. While smaller wheels are meant for more pulling power, which is meant for more freight trains. That way they can pull more carts, but they don't have to go as fast. And now, let's move on to, whatever the heck we saw at first. This abomination of a locomotive is the Holman locomotive, and is basically just made to scam people because they were told more wheels equals more fast. And it worked? Yeah, they were able to make a lot of money using these locomotives. If you want more information, go check out Train of Thought's video on it. It's pretty good. And now moving on to Jay the Doggo's favorite locomotive, Big Bertha. Why does it have 10 wheels? Well, because it's a banker, specifically the Licky Banker. Now, the Licky was this gigantic hill, and many trains had trouble going up it, since trains have problems going up every single hill. So this engine was made specifically to push trains up the hill, which are known as banking locomotives. Only one locomotive of her class was ever made. It was withdrawn from service in 1956 and was sadly scrapped after, which means no more ever remained. There's other locomotives with even more outrageous wheel arrangements, but we'll talk about those next time. If you have any more suggestions for train stuff, comment them down below, and see you next time.